Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Rogue Maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there and this button right here, and just that button. And keep in mind, this button right here also acts as a turn, so you can turn it. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We're going to be looking at that. As you can see, service due now. Go ahead and press that button. Keep pressing it. Keep pressing it until you find this setting. Now when you get to this setting, go ahead and press and hold. Okay, let go. Now when you get here, go ahead and turn the knob, the button, down to maintenance. Go ahead and press on maintenance. Go down to service. Enter on service. Go down to reset. Enter on reset. Turn, and there you go, guys. When this becomes 0, that means you reset it. And right now it's set for 3,750 miles distance until the next one. So that's how you do it, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.